Vivian, I am so excited. My sister just gave birth to a beautiful baby girl.
Hello, my name is Emanuela Eze. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming across my video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Thank you. Hi guys. So I'm actually making this video for my subscribers who have complained about Flow AI being difficult, complicated. So the reason is because Flow AI rebranded. If you go through their website, you will see that a lot of changes has been carried out. Okay, they rebranded. That's the reason why we no longer generate AI videos on Flow AI the way we used to, and that is the major reason why I am creating or making this video, so that you would get to know the new way to generate your videos on Flow AI. Very easy steps. You don't have to worry about Flow AI changing the faces of your characters. No, everything is going to be perfect after you finish watching this video. So please make sure you watch it till the end for proper information. So without wasting time, let's dive right into it. So I'm just going to click on my Chrome browser. For those people who are finding it difficult to locate the Flow website, you can comment link in the comment section and I will forward the link to you. Okay? This will take me to Flow websites, which is seen on my screen now, because I've been using this website to generate my AI videos. And I want you to know that this particular Flow website is not unlimited. Okay, it is very limited, which is the reason why you need to generate more than 3 or 5 email address, okay, so that you can switch just in case you exceed your limits for the day. And I also want you to know that Flow AI now has a new feature called Omni Gen, if I'm not mistaken. So we are definitely going to use it. Okay, I'm going to show you how to generate your videos. Here you can see it here, introducing, okay, it's Gemini Omni. So that's the new app. Okay, so let's move forward. So what you have to do is you quickly create an account. You just have to sign in with your Google account, just in case you don't have one. So when you are done, you're going to see new projects like this on your screen. Click on it. So when you click on it this way, it's going to bring you to this interface. You just have to click on see what's new. Now pay attention to this place, okay, these two arrow. So this is actually taking you backwards and this is taking you forward. So you have to click here, click on the arrow, and then you click on get started below. So it will bring you to this interface, and this is exactly where we'll be generating our AI videos. So if you don't have your image, you can create one here if you want to. All you have to do is just click on this place that says video and you see image. You can switch this way. You pick your aspect ratio, okay, of your choice. Pick any aspect ratio of your choice, and then you can put it at 1x to generate just one image, x2 to generate 2 images, and so on. So if you don't want to generate image here, you can just click on video to generate your video. Okay, so I'm going to be generating just video here because I already have my AI image. So what I'm going to do now is to click on my model. So when it comes to model, you can see here we have OmniFlash. That's the new feature, okay? That's the new model. But if you don't want to, you can go ahead and click on Value 3.1 Lights. But for this particular creation, we are going to use Omni. Let's use OmniFlash, okay? All right, so this is it. Now what we are going to do next is okay, let's be sure that this is actually on OmniFlash. Okay, you click here and click on OmniFlash. Make sure that it's on X2 so it can generate 2 videos for you. Just in case one is not okay, you can go with the other one. Okay. All right, so let's change the aspect ratio to 16:9 because that's the aspect ratio for the AI image we'll be using for this video generation. Okay, so we are actually done. Now, please, I want you to pay attention to this step, okay? This is where some people get it wrong. They get confused because Flow AI has rebranded, just like I said earlier. So this is how you are to insert your photo on Flow AI. You click on the plus sign above this one, okay? And then you click on upload media above. It will bring you to your gallery where you are to pick the photo you'll be using. So this is the photo we are going to use. Click on it this way and click on done below. So just in case you did it once and it did not appear on the screen, you are going to do it again. Click on the plus icon, click on upload media, click on the photo you want to use and click on done. So you can see that I did that 3 times. So sometimes that's how Flow works, okay? You have to do it again and again. So you allow it to finish loading. You can actually track it here. You can see 99%, and I think it's done loading now. So you just have to be a little bit patient. All right, so this is the image we'll be using. Now all you have to do is you have to press tight, okay, the way I did on the image, and then you click on animate. So I want you to know that this animate is better to click on it twice, because sometimes if you click on it once, you might not see your image here. Okay, so press tight on your image this way and click on animate twice, and your image will be here. As long as you are seeing your image here, you can start generating your video. Okay, that means you can insert your prompt. That's the next step. So I'm just going to write something here. So I'll say let the lady sitting on the, okay, let's just say let the lady wearing red say this in a Nigerian accent, smiling. So I'm just going to, okay, okay, so you can see what I did there, right? All right, so when you are done inserting your prompt this way, make sure you check it, okay, to be sure. So I said let the lady wearing red say this in a Nigerian accent, smiling. Vivian, I am so excited. My sister just gave birth to a beautiful baby girl. So when you are done, what you have to do is to click on this arrow here, and your video will start generating. You can see that 2 videos are generating. That's because we selected X2. So you have to be patient and wait for your video to finish generating. I want you to know that whether you are using Veo 3.1 or you are using OmniFlash, you are actually going to use this method if you want to get the best results on Flow AI. Because the reason why some people don't get what they want on Flow AI is because they don't follow this procedure, okay? So if you don't click on that animate, they will definitely bring out someone else for you. That's the reason why you must click on animate before generating your video. Okay, so let's wait patiently for this to finish generating. Okay, I think our video is ready. So you can see that it gave me exactly the image I inserted, right? Okay, so let's play and watch.
Vivian, I am so excited. My sister just gave birth to a beautiful baby girl.
All right, let's watch again.
Vivian, I am so excited. My sister just gave birth to a beautiful baby girl. Vivian.
Okay, you can see that this is actually very beautiful, right? It came out clean. You can go ahead and generate your own AI video using this method, okay? Flow AI is here to serve you as long as you follow these procedures, as long as you followed the steps I showed you, you are definitely going to get a good result. Okay, so how to download your video. What you have to do is to press tight on it and click on download video. So if you don't want to use this method, okay, if you don't want to use this method, you can just click on it this way and click on download here. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Bye.